Dr. Hemraj Sims, good day.
Good day. Sorry, hold on. Sorry.
Bad cough.
Yes?
Okay, I'm speaking to?
Are you speaking to Prakash?
Surname Prakash?
Pillai.
Okay, how can I help you?
Can't you tell?
Oh, you want to come here? Very bad cough. All right, whereabout are you now? Tell me. Verulam. See, our doctor is only going to be here till 1:30. Come straight away now.
I've been sucking a halls, but it's not working.
No, what? Halls won't do anything.
Okay, hold on.
Coughing. Bad cough, man. You heard what I told her about the doctor being here only till 1:30.
Yeah.
So if you can come straight away, right?
What is going on here, man?
With you? Okay, you come here, we'll check you out and we'll tell you what's going on. No, you need to come straight away. Your cough is very, very bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's funny, man. Why is making that funny sound?
Wait, what is your address there?
It's 2 ABC Center. 2 ABC Center, 91 Moss Street, right? Yeah, oh, sorry, man. 2 ABC Center. Start coughing. 2 ABC Center. I'm not going to sit here all day. Huh? Yeah, 2 ABC Center. You got that?
Fire it now.
91 Moss Street. Yeah, you give him that. All right, what you got? What have you written so far?
Number 2.
ABC Center. I told you ABC Center.
Okay,
91.
Oh, man.
Dr. Chetty.
Say again.
Dr. Chetty. I gave you the details, Dr. Chetty. I'll see you just now, okay? Bye.
Hold on, what time?
You have to be here before... You have to be here before 1:15. Bye.
Sorry, you said...
Dr. Sims, hello? Hello?
Hello, sorry, what were you saying?
Hold on, right?
Hello.
Is this Dr. Hemraj?
You've got a terrible cough, yes, you're saying?
Tell me, do you have acetylsalicylic acid?
That's Disprin. You can buy it from any chemist.
Is it Disprin? Oh yeah, I can never remember that name, Disprin.
Yeah. All right, what is your name?
I had to take my headphones off for every cough.
Oh, shame.
That was the toughest thing I've ever heard.
Thank you very much. That is his real cough. Michael Ball in London. If you're heading to London for the Olympics, oh my goodness, stay away from Michael Ball. That was funny.
Hello. Yes?
Hello?
Yes?
Hello there. I wonder if you can help me. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find... Have you got a menu online? Because I was thinking about coming down to your restaurant this week or perhaps tonight.
We don't have the menu online, sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so basically... I was just debating whether to come and out because I'm not feeling too well. What's the main sort of sources of food that you have there?
Yeah, we got and the individual meal.
Right.
Yes.
What? Go on.
What? Yeah. What? Yeah. How many persons are you looking for?
Myself and my wife and my 2 children.
Yes. Yeah. We have the set meal for 2, for 3, for 4, and you can also pick up individual. So
I don't know. Oh, yeah, right. Sorry, what do you have?
yes, we have set meal for 2, for
Right.
3. Yeah.
And what's
yeah.
yeah, sorry, I can't hear you. Can you say that again?
Yeah, I can.
Sorry, go on.
Yeah, set meal for 1. And,
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it's 1 for 2. It's 1840. It's 8 for 2. It's 2640. Or C for 3.
Right.
Or much more expensive. It's 4520.
Yeah.
Or that's between how much you want to spend, and then the set meal you can share.
Now,
you know.
I have a sort of asthma condition, so I'm very sensitive to dust. It's not a smoky restaurant, is it? Is it sort of like the air okay, so I won't sort of be coughing or anything like that? Is it sort of, what's it like there? Is there a lot of pollution? Is it near a road?
Can't hear very clearly.
Sorry, can you say that again? I couldn't hear you. Can you say that again? Sorry, go on.
Can't hear very clearly of your sound. A bit interrupted by
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Could you say that again? Sorry, go on.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. What were you going to say?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What? Yeah. So what price you are looking for?
Just sort of nothing too expensive, nothing too cheap. Just something just to fill us up. What time do you open till?
You can order some set meal.
Sorry, can you say that again? I've got a bit of a cough. You got a set meal.
Yeah, set meal.
Right.
Yeah. For 3 person. There's 27.60.
Right.
Or you can pick up separately.
Okay.
Main course, some starter.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, which one do you prefer?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah.
Sorry, go on.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So, where are you? What area are you?
I'm in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just pop to the chemist first and get some cough syrup. And I might pop in later on to see if I can see a menu. Is that okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.